3 buttons in the top right, I feel like aren't my start points. Point categories and icons, map center, zoom in style, header style, share settings, upload, KML. I don't know what KML is. Search points. Okay. So if I want to make a map, I'm probably going to start with setting my map center. None of these feel particularly intuitively like the place to start.
Just like my initial thought is I always try to keep all the navigations just very little text heavy. So for me, some of this is a little bit more than I feel like it needs to. Like, I don't know why it wouldn't be just big category, and like I would maybe go for the icon. And then this one also, like, I feel like it has a lot of text in here. Here I would just say header. I wouldn't even say like style. I would know that like this is where I'm gonna go for like changing something with headers, or that's what I would think. Share settings. I'm not sure why share settings. I would probably just do share. Like just some of that to me seems like overly too much text, just like a first thought. It also just doesn't look that pretty from a user perspective. I'm like very big into visuals. So like I would go for a nicer icons if I'm supposed to drag my attention.
So maybe I need some like more explanation on what KML is and where, like where I can download a KML and then upload here.
The explanation of that URL being associated with the, red dot or blue dot or green dot, whatever, was a little confusing. I didn't quite understand. I think that's some code that I don't need to see.
Mentioned, like, I think that those could be potentially icons, so people could change them. I also think that there should be an option to have a different size of this. And if, for example, like somebody doesn't want to have the white, if somebody doesn't want to have the white color there, like if they want to choose a different shape, and if they just want to have it like one single color, or having 20 different colors, it doesn't matter. But if, for example, they want it like small, I think there could be different sizes because like this takes up all Seattle here, and I have several customers like in just the same city sometimes, right? So like I don't know if it's going to automatically change the size and it's going to become smaller if I put more inputs in that, but I wouldn't expect that. I would think that the pins will stay the same, so it just takes up a lot of space. And the other thing was that this customization just pretty much didn't work much, right? Like we tried the logo, that didn't happen. We tried that Instagram, that didn't happen. So I would expect that to like work and look more customized for the company, because if I'm going to embed this on my website, I want this to look ours and align with the rest of the website.
It'd be great to have like an add category button here, so I don't have to like jump back over. So like, oh, I don't have it. So now I'm like, okay, dang it. I got to go back over here. And now I'm going to add another one and do, have to click it again, entertainment, submit, boom. And it'll take a second, but that's okay because I'm going to go into here, go back to Kirkland Chain Performance Center, and the category. Will it show up? And it did.
I think it was really easy. Like this is very easy and simple, so I don't think that's anything complicated on this.
Okay, great. So you would give it a 5?
Yep, I would give it a 5. The only thing is, again, that it would just like escape should be a regular thing to get out of it. And like I'm pressing it and I'm not getting out, and I don't see anything like, getting out of here. So like I would have to click submit, which is not very intuitive for a lot of people, I feel like.
If I have uploaded extra photos, then I believe that will also be displayed here. But I think the good part of it is that even if I didn't upload any photo, I can still browse some of the photo, maybe drag from Google, and that's really helpful.
I can see it being useful, yes, because I'd like to create a map. If I have an event, for example, a map of the locations that are going to be part of my event per se, or places that I'd like people to check out. And then as far as crowdsourcing, I see it as a way for people to review their experiences at those places, as well as liking, see how popular it is.
And the sharing feature is also very nice if this can be a more interactive process. If my friends can also make comments or adding things onto the map so that it becomes something larger, belongs to a larger group. I think that's also going to be very fun.